Sir, are you okay? Sir? Come here, guys. Come here. I'm going to call the doctor. Good morning, Dr. Lito. This is Nurse Mabalo from Ward A. I'm calling about Mr. Michael, the patient in bed 4, who is currently experiencing hyperventilation and an elevated body temperature. Mr. Michael was admitted 2 days ago with a diagnosis of pneumonia. His medical history includes hypertension and type 2 diabetes. He has been on IV antibiotics and oxygen therapy since admission. Right now, his respiratory rate is 32 breaths per minute and his temperature is 39 degrees. His oxygen saturation is 90% on 2 liters of oxygen. The patient appears agitated and is using accessory muscles to breathe. Doc, I recommend assessing the patient immediately. Would you like to increase the oxygen flow or order of blood gas analysis? Should we also initiate antibiotics for the fever?
Thank you for your report. Increase his oxygen to 4 liters, administer 500 mg of acetaminophen IV, and get an arterial blood gas.
Oh, I understood,
Done
doctor.
right away.
I'll carry
I'll
out
be there
the
to
orders and
complete
update
the
you with the
patient
ABG result. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Dr. Mabalio. This is Nurse Cleto from Ward C. I'm calling about Mrs. Clara, the patient in bed 6, who is currently exhibiting hypotension and is appearing very pale. Mrs. Clara is a 70-year-old female admitted for a stroke. She has a history of arterial fibrillation and a chronic kidney disease. She was started on anticoagulation therapy and antihypertensive after admission, but her blood pressure has been unstable. Currently, her blood pressure is 65 over 55. Her heart rate is 110 beats per minute, and she is complaining of dizziness and weakness. She is also cold to touch, and her urine output has been low today. I recommend assessing her immediate for possible hypovolemia or signs of bleeding. Should we start a bolus of IV fluids, or would you like to adjust her medications? Would you like a complete blood count and coagulation profile done as well?
Thank you for the report, Nurse Cleto. First, initiate a 500 ml IV fluid, bolus with normal saline. Check her blood pressure after 15 minutes and let me know if there's any improvement. And next, please also draw a CBC and coagulation profile and send it to the lab. I'll be it to assess the patient shortly.
Understood, doctor. I'll start the IV fluids and update you on the results right away. Thank you.